Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to St. Bernard Acres. A snowy, wintry St. Bernard Acres. I had to come out here, and the cold weather wreaks havoc with the Ring cameras. And I don't have solar panels on them because they're going to change when we move out here. So I got to get some charge going in them. Gail had to bring out the supply of deer corn, so they're ready. They'll be fed. Where'd you put the? Oh, okay. She hung a suet up there for the birds. But we'll take a walk around real quick. I haven't put up a video for quite a while, and hopefully you can see things. I can't see shit on the phone. Trust me. It is so bright with these skies. And the reflection off the snow and my glasses going almost black. But let's walk inside the house. I'll show you how much snow came in from the roof problem. All right. It's surprisingly kind of warm in here. It's not bitterly cold, but there's the snow that came in. Now, fortunately, it's still frozen solid, but that little bit right there, that's how much snow we got. And once it warms up and the weather changes, we can get the roof fixed. But everything is good, just how we wanted it. Okay, it is kind of cold actually. Let's go. I want to walk around the barn. I've seen a few videos. This patio well shed that they sent me. Some of the other people's roofs have collapsed on them from the weight of all this snow. Now this doesn't look like deer tracks, dear.
Not that.
Yeah, these.
I mean, yeah, these right here I think are deer or rabbit. I don't know what
yeah,
those
up there.
are because...
But these I think are bobcat maybe.
I don't know.
Something, a bigger animal. All right, let's go see if we still have a shed roof. I'm hoping what happened to these guys' sheds is they didn't install the roof properly, because I thought they were pretty solid sheds. Oh yeah, look at all the deer tracks back here. Rabbits, everything. But there's a hole in the roof. All right. There's a lot of snow. We probably had 8 inches out here. Can't get up the driveway. Is that somebody driving around? No, okay. We're stuck on the road. All right. It's hard work walking in snow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they've been going in and out of the barn. Yep.
I don't blame them.
All right, our roof is fine on this shed. Watch right there, the trailer tongue. It's buried. Yeah, our roof is fine. I think it's the way the people installed them.
Well, this is heavily used here.
Yeah.
This is all flat now.
A lot of tracks.
Yeah, look at the little ones.
Yeah. Wow. Whew. You can see our ridge over there. See the white? That's how far we go. Our property. Nothing inside? No water?
Nope.
That's perfect. All right. That means Gary and I did a good job putting it together. Let's get inside the barn. See if anything attacks us. It's days like this tractor is going to be great to have. But I got to get chains for it. I don't have any chains. But yeah, everything's still good in here. And dry.
Oh, here, look.
Oh, yeah.
Here's the paw prints.
Yep.
Or whatever it was. Oh, look. That's cat, some kind of cat or maybe skunk or something.
These bigger ones, look at the big ones here.
Yeah,
those are bobcats. Those are bobcats.
Bigger than that.
Right, these over here are bigger.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the paw. Have to look.
Yeah.
That's deer. Though. You can see the little
Yep.
marks.
Yeah, these are bobcats.
Oh,
I mean, we've caught bobcat on camera.
But look, you can see there's a deer going down there, and then whatever these little things are right here.
That looks like rabbit. I don't know. We have a
This is a heavy traffic area.
we have a lot of wildlife. Yeah, they all come up here to go in the barn.
Maybe turkeys.
Well,
Turkeys rather not.
I don't know.
'Cause that's a lot.
I saw a bunch of turkey on weekends up here,
Maybe there's turkeys.
but I don't know if they do it in the wintertime or not. Holy crap.
It's hard.
All right. So that's the problem with winter and getting out of shape. Okay, it looks pretty though. Holy cow, it looks gorgeous. The barn's still doing good, of course. That barn will be there long after us. Oh yeah. Yeah, the bridge we built.
Yeah.
There's probably 5 or 6 inches still on there.
It's more like 8 inches.
Oh yeah. Yep.
See how big it is?
Again, with these friggin' glasses, I can't see shit. All right. So I'm gonna get off of here. Get this uploaded for you guys to let you know we're still alive and kicking. Just waiting on a break in the weather and getting used to the new job. Whew. This is Joe and Gail out of St. Bernard Acres. We're out.